product owner willing to know more about tech mindset? Well, I talk a lot about you and you might take some inspiration from this course. In the Bits of Success series, I'm gonna talk, focus, go through tools to make sure your team is set up for success. So, are you ready? So, as I mentioned, the estimation process is a very basic part, the fundamentals of a company. Whatever are the stakeholders in your case, if you are the tech team and have a product owner as an interface to the customer, well, this should be the flow. The stakeholders talk to product and they basically ask for features. This is why he's contacting you, because he needs a product, he needs something from you. Then product thinks about it, and before, well, it's not always like that, but it should be like this. Before they come back to the stakeholder with something, anything they might have thought about, they confront that thing with the tech team. So they update the tech team so they know what's gonna come. The tech team then try and understand what are the estimates for the required products needs. After that process is complete or almost completed, and that really depends on the team, they come back to product, which adjusts the deadlines, the plans for this product, and then goes back to the stakeholder and completes the loop. This loop might go on many times until the product is defined. In my experience, it will go on forever just because we work in an agile environment, and this is what happens usually. And it's a virtuous loop that actually produces very good results. Of course, all of that is based on a relationship between the stakeholders and product, which is trust. Without that, these two phases, 1 and 5, can happen. Let's see a summary. So product negotiates for features and deadlines. Tech plays a crucial part in defining deadlines. Then deadlines are based on estimates from tech. Estimates are used by product to plan ahead. And the product commits on deadlines with the customer. There are some key learnings here, so it's vital for the company to have good estimates, and this is why we always need to estimate better. And estimates are on our shoulders as technical people. You are responsible of that. Estimation is one of the main responsibilities of an engineer in a company. I'm saying that because I've been in teams where this was not clear. Like, we don't want to be really responsible for something like that of a high level. It's not a higher level, it's just, as you see here, it's just a link in a chain. And that's very crucial because if it's broken, you're breaking the vital supports for the company in order to deliver. So possibly the company loses the customer. That will definitely escalate to higher levels. If you like this video, remember to recommend it to your friends and colleagues so they can make use of it. Thanks for watching and see you next time!